Okay, children, coming to Unit 3, birthday gift boat. It's a nice lesson about a birthday gift boat. Now, in this lesson, we'll just read through the activity number 1. How many trees do you find in this picture? Look at the picture given, and there are few trees. You have to count and write the number. How many birds are there in this picture? Count the number of birds and write it. What is the color of the boat? What color do you see? What color it is? Then write that color. Okay, so basically this is a visual activity. You have to see and count and write. Then beginning with the lesson, activity number 2, birthday gift. Jia's father gave her a little boat as a birthday gift. It was Jia's birthday and her father gifted her a nice boat. It was a beautiful red boat with a milk white sail. Jia wound it up like we wind the keys of the clock. Yes, of the toys that you had in your childhood, maybe a monkey or something. Yes, it had a key and then you wound it. Similarly, she also got a boat which she needs to wound up to get it started. And it sailed in the big bathtub filled with water. Now it was boat, so it had to sail in the water. Jia was excited. She called her friend Dhruv and showed him the boat. It was a beautiful boat, but does it really sail? Asked Dhruv. Of course, Jia said. She slowly wound the keys and put the boat in the bathtub. She called her friend and showed him. With a whirl, the boat set off, going round and round, creating ripples. What are ripples? They are small waves. Because the boat was sailing in the small bathtub, so the waves were also small. May I sail the boat just once? Asked Dhruv. Now Dhruv is asking, can I get it? Can I get a chance to sail it? No, Jia quickly replied. You will spoil my lovely boat. Dhruv was hurt. He went home. When Dhruv asked, let me also try, then Jia immediately said, no, I will not give you. And then Dhruv stopped going to Jia's house, but she did not care. He stopped going at her house for playing, but Jia was not bothered about it. She had her little red boat to play with. She spent most of her time near the bathtub. She watched the boat sailing and was happy. After a few days, she began to get bored. It was no fun playing with the boat at all by herself. She wished Dhruv would play with her again. Now she was not bothered that Dhruv did not visit her, and then she used to play on her own. But now ultimately she got bored, and then she was thinking that if he would join us. Then coming to the next page. Coming to page number 21, one day Jia was sitting by the window. Her mother had shut the window because it was raining. Pitter patter, the rain fell on the closed window. When the rain falls, it sounds like pitter patter. Then Jia heard a song. Come, come, children, with your boats and play. I will take your boats far, far away. It was the wind singing to the children. Yes, the wind was singing and asking the children to come out and play with their boats. In a little while, the rain stopped. Jia looked out of the window, and all the children had rushed out to put their paper boats in a stream by the road. Now you know that when it rains, the small streams start flowing. It is actually the water logged there. There were pink boats and white boats, big boats and little boats. They rose and fell with the tiny waves. The weak boats overturned and sank while the strong boats sailed. So now all the children made paper boats with the craft paper that they had. So some were big, some were small, and the weak ones overturned. They tumbled out, and the strong ones were sailing through. I will take my boat too, thought Jia. She washed her boat. Why she had to wash it? Because she was not using it since many days. It became bright and shiny. She went up to the stream. She wound the keys and carefully put the boat in the water. Vrr, vrr. It went quickly. Now she took her boat and went in the lane to play with the boat. Now the boat started quickly. It left all the paper boats behind because it has a small machine, so all the paper boats were left behind, and the boat started going further. She looked proudly at the other children. Look at my boat, she clapped. And she was very proud that her boat had left all the paper boats behind. Now what happened? Suddenly a piece of wood banged into Jia's boat and it broke into pieces. Now a piece of wood had banged in her boat and her boat met an accident and it was broken. Don't worry, you shall play with my boat. She looked up. Who is that? That is Dhruv. Dhruv was holding a red boat in his hand. It was just like Jia's boat. Papa has bought it for me, Dhruv explained. Come, let us sail it in the bathtub. Jia smiled and they were friends again. Now, when her boat was no more, like it met with an accident and it was not going to work at all. So then Dhruv came with his new boat and he offered her to play and they were friends again. Now coming on page number 22, activity 3, draw the picture of a boat in a bathtub and color it. You have to draw a bathtub and then a boat in it and then color it with pencil color. Activity 4 says you know that we can make paper boats. Now make a list of the things that you and your friend can make out of paper. See, you know many paper folding activities and you make out many things out of that, like you make a fish, right? You make frogs, dog. Yes, then make a list that the things that you can make and the things that your friend can make. Okay, then coming to the next is activity 5. Who said this to whom? Now, who said to whom? There are few sentences given and then we have to find out from the text that who used the sentence, who said it to whom. Number 1 is but does it really sail? Who said this sentence? Then you can always go back to the sentence and find out. Yes, Dhruv spoke this to Jia, right? Then again, you will spoil my lovely boat. Who said it? Jia said it because she was feeling very proud and she said it to Dhruv. Basically, there are only 2 characters, right? Then the third one is look at my boat. Yes, here in the last to third paragraph, Jia said when she sailed the boat with the other children were sailing the paper boat and she was feeling very proud to sail her boat, right? So Jia said to other children. Then the fourth is don't worry, you shall play with my boat. Yes, this is the sentence that Dhruv said. Don't worry, Jia, I am going to share my boat with you, right? Okay, so now coming to activity 6. Now find out the words which end with ed and ing. One example is given to you. Now read the story again, then write the words in the following table. You have to read the text, read the whole lesson, yes, and then find out the words that end with ed and ing and then make a list over here. And then in the next activity on the same page, you are supposed to make sentences using the words that you found out. Okay, now coming to page number 24, activity 7, look at the pictures and write the names of the seasons under each picture. There are the pictures given which depict a particular season. You have to write the name of the season. What do you like to do in these seasons and write in the box given. So look at the picture, like the first picture depicts about which season? Right, winter season. So write winter and then I enjoy wearing my favorite sweater. What else do you like to do? You are going to write about your own self, right? Then the next picture is about the burning earth. When does it happen? Yes, in summer. So write few things about the summer season that you like. And then the rainy season, the season that is on just now. So write the things that you like to do in this season. And the last one says which seasons do you like the most? Which is the season that you like the most amongst the 3 given and why do you like it? Okay. Now coming to activity 8, in the story we saw that a boat makes a whir whir sound. Do you know any more words that indicate the sound? Write their names. For example, tick tock is the sound of the clock. So can you think about some sound that you hear in your usual life? Yes, just close your ears, just observe what things happen around you. Yes, when your mom does puja, she will ring the small bell, ting 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 ting, right? Then else, when somebody will come at your house, they will ring the bell, ting tong, right? Then somebody will knock at the door, tick 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 tick, like this, right? So these are the sounds that come. Okay, so just mention them. Now in activity 9, read the story again and arrange the sentences in the proper order. Write the number of the sentence in the given box. You have to read the story, just go through the pages again. Okay, so you'll get to know what is the sequence. Then read out these sequences and then number them. Okay, Dhruv comes there and said, let's sail it in bathtub. Suddenly, Jia's boat broke into pieces and started crying. So just go through it. What is going to be the first in the story? So number it accordingly, and then I will send you the right answers. Okay. Then coming to the next page is activity 10. Read and enjoy. You are going to read this small poem and enjoy. I just read it for you. Rain, rain, rain. It's raining today. I hear the rain pitter patter on the roof. I love to play in rain, and that with my boat. I love the rain. Okay.